To access system memory and the hard drive, as well as to remove the back cover, you'll need to detach the hard drive and memory cover at the rear of the unit. To do so, pull up on the flip cover on the stand. Detach the single screw for the hard drive and memory cover. Then pull firmly up at the bottom edge and slide the cover down to disengage it from the unit. Next, pull off the EMI shield for the memory. Gently pull out on the retaining lever located on each side of the SO-DIMM. The module will pop out to a 45-degree angle from the socket. The SO-DIMM module can now be pulled free. There is a small notch on one side of each SO-DIMM module. There is a small tab on one side of each SO-DIMM socket. To replace an SO-DIMM, angle the module to about 45 degrees and engage the notch on the module with the tab in the socket. Press the SO-DIMM down into place until the retaining levers snap into position over the sides of the module. Replace the memory EMI shield. The hard drive and memory cover has 3 tabs on its top edge that slide into slots near the stand. There is also a tab on the bottom of the hard drive and memory cover that snaps into a slot inside the unit. To replace the hard drive and memory cover, align the 3 tabs on the cover into their slots and slide the cover up until all edges are flush. Replace the screw for the hard drive and memory cover.